In the meantime, let's break another development the allegations and the charges that are now being made by the Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge against the Prime Minister, saying that ED on 95% opposition leaders and the leader in the BJP washed clean with washing machine as well. If you have 56-inch ka Sina, then make the JPC sit and hold an open press conference for the first time in the last 9 years as you've been in power. So we're looking at a direct challenge that is being thrown at the Prime Minister by Mallikarjun Kharge, Aditi.
Well, a point-by-point rebuttal has come from Cong top boss Mallikarjun Kharge, and let's go over one by one. Now, first he says that Adani की shell companies में 20,000 करोड़ किसके हैं? ललित मोदी, नीरव मोदी, मेहुल चोकसी, विजय माल्या, जतिन मेहता आदि क्या आपके भ्रष्टाचारी भगाओ अभियान के सदस्य हैं? क्या आप इस संगठन के कन्वीनर हैं? खुद को एंटी करप्शन क्रूसेडर बता इमेज मेकओवर बंद कीजिए. Now, moreover, the Congress top leader says, पहले अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखें, कर्नाटक में आपकी सरकार पर 40% कमीशन का आरोप क्यों है? मेघालय में नंबर 1 भ्रष्टाचारी सरकार में आप शामिल क्यों? राजस्थान में संजीवनी कोऑपरेटिव घोटाला, मध्य प्रदेश में पोषण घोटाला या छत्तीसगढ़ में नान घोटाला में क्या बीजेपी नेता शामिल नहीं? नेक्स्ट, विपक्ष के 95% नेताओं पर ईडी और भाजपा में शामिल नेता वॉशिंग मशीन से धुलकर साफ. 56 इंच की छाती है तो जेपीसी बिठाइए और 9 सालों में पहली बार सरेआम खुली प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कीजिए. उनके जवाब दीजिएगा जो ये ना पूछा कि आप आम कैसे खाते हैं या आप थकते क्यों नहीं.
जी. All right, so those are the allegations being leveled by
ये ठीक नहीं है. और प्राइम मिनिस्टर एक अपनी बात जब रखते हैं उसको कुछ उसमें सत्यता होना चाहिए, लेकिन वो नहीं चाहते कि सिर्फ दूसरों को अपमान करना यही उनका धर्म है.
आज इलेक्शन का अनाउंसमेंट होने वाला है आपके गढ़ राज्य में, किन मुद्दों को लेकर के कांग्रेस जाएगी और क्या तैयारियां हैं आपकी ओर से?
अरे वहाँ तो 40% की गवर्नमेंट है और वो खुद ही उनको मालूम है. एक एमएलए के पास 8-8 करोड़ रुपए मिलते हैं, एक्शन नहीं लेते हैं. यहाँ पर अपोजिशन का कोई छोटा मोटा भी मिला है उसको इतना बड़ा बनाते हैं और उसको निकालो, इसको निकालो, ईडी को बुलाओ करते हैं.
Mallikarjun Kharge himself as well, Aishwarya, as we are listening to the Congress Party President and not taking lightly to those words in the direct attack that was made by the Prime Minister yesterday, calling the opposition parties as the Bhrashtachari and the corrupt, who the country will never vote for.
Well, that's the direct confrontation which has happened so far between the opposition parties and the ruling party, and now it's Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress president, was taking on Twitter and attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 20,000 crore rupees on the Adani issue, and also stating that stating many facts about the corruption which has taken place in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and also asking him that whether he will do a press conference openly and whether he will answer on the JPC demands that is being leveled and asked by the opposition parties. So clearly a direct attack, and this comes just before the Karnataka election announcement by Mallikarjun Kharge against the Prime Minister. In fact, he went on to say that there had been several instances in the past when Prime Minister had not spoken a word. So he should come out and he should speak. But clearly, giving examples of several of the fugitives who have gone outside the country, and whether what Mallikarjun Kharge said, that whether he calls him anti-corruption crusader, please leave this makeover image and answer on the real
issues. Well, it
issues.
seems that the political discourse will only amplify with the election date announcement that will be done by the Election Commission of India in a short while from now for the upcoming polls that will be taking place in the state of Karnataka itself. One of the biggest players is also talked about by Mallikarjun Kharge, who is also serving as the Congress Party President. Aishwarya, thank you very much for the moment for joining in with